in a taxi right now. Today we are going to meet a lady that messaged us on Instagram when we arrived here. We had these little messages and she was telling me about her hotel, and she invited us to go see it because she was saying how it's a really nice place and that we should probably come and try it and check it out.
I can't wait to see this hotel.
Especially the food is very good at the restaurant. So we decided that we were here with a broken leg. We might as well just do it, and we are going there.
I want to live there.
And he already decided he wants to live there. So
you haven't even seen the hotel yet, Luca.
Imagine after. And we're going to show it to you too, because I think we should share it with everybody, so maybe you could decide to come here. Okay, keep on following because we're almost there.
And go there, please go there. I want, because I want to go.
He wants to go. Okay, we're going. We'll see you there.
World Explorer. Today we are at the Aurora Hotel in Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia. They invite us to this amazing restaurant in this hotel. The name of the restaurant is actually the name of the princess of that time. It's Khulan Restaurant. This is our host today, Duncan. Thank you so much for inviting us in this amazing place. And we're gonna show you more after.
Yes.
Keep on following us.
I think it's the best menu I've ever seen, because first of all, for everything there's the picture.
And they're beautiful.
They're beautifully nice edited pictures. Then on each thing it tells you what there is. So in this, there's a picture of a pig, it shows there's a pig.
So you know the meat?
There's cow in this, bacon, sheep, and then even in here there's fish. You can see spice. And then there's this one that says for 2 people. There's even this extra cool one that's just, you have to get it 24 hours before.
Because it takes longer to cook.
And this this one is not 3 people, it says for 4 people.
Wow.
These are so hot. Normally they're like room temperature. These are super hot. There's like steam coming from them.
It's like called saso in Russian.
Okay.
So yeah.
But it's a Mongolian, or is it something more
basically
Russian?
like Russian thing. We made it Mongolian.
So this is the fat of what animal?
Sheep.
The sheep.
So basically healthy fat.
You put the butter, that's seasoned butter.
So yeah.
And then you put the fat on it, and then you eat it.
And it's a healthy fat.
Oh, sheep is now healthy.
How is it considered healthy? Because it is.
How is it?
Good. It's like salmon. What?
It's sheep salmon. This is a Mongolian soup. Maybe it's hot. Emma had a Mongolian Italian pasta. And then we have this tripe salad.
So while we eat, Luca is doing gymnastics. This is a lava cake with ice cream, and this is creme brulee.
I don't like.
Wow.
That's not for you.
Look how beautiful.
And I'm leaving now.
But this is a local artist, or?
Yeah. Every painting here he painted talks about Mongolia, hobby, or it's a Mongolian couple. Yeah. And also you see the color is the aurora, like the northern lights.
Yeah.
So we included that into the painting. Owl's name is the Aurora.
Is there a presentation of the name of the hotel on the painting?
Yeah. So this is when you want them to clean up. This is when you want them to wait. This is when you want them not to disturb you. And this is the doorbell. Oopsie.
It's a view up here. Come on, Dad. Like, push me very fast. Run. Hey, run. Run, Dad. Run!
Okay, guys, we're gonna show you a room.
The other one as well.
Oh my.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Let's go there, Nicole. What if we do this? You guys always don't tell me stay here.
That sounds like a good plan.
When did you hear the fact? He said, I cannot believe we can't live here.
Do you like this room, eh?
Yeah.
What do you think, Cosimo?
The toilet works itself.
See, on the toilet there is a remote control that you can actually pick what you want. A shower and the bathtub. Do you think?
Yeah, so we were deciding, me and Mamuk will sleep here tonight, and you and Mama will sleep at the hotel, okay?
Okay.
Look.
Whoa, you can put it reading? Oh, they're different lights.
Yeah, depends.
Oh, this is make it brighter and this makes it darker? Cold, this warm? Oh, they can make
You
it
want a warmer or
colder.
light?
Whoa, that's a cool light.
Do you have breakfast included? Or
Yeah, it's like all breakfast included.
Before you saw a family room, now she's gonna show you a double room.
Yeah.
Let's go inside.
The toilet opens when we put the key card in.
Cosimo's mind is blown by the toilet. Oh no, we stopped here with the train. Yeah. Because we saw the cargo stuff.
Oh, yeah.
One, like, depending on your mood.
Let's go see the
When we got the train, actually, this it was a stop. We didn't know that we were coming here after. When you let the things unfold by itself, things happen to you guys. So these are all the amenities that they have here at the hotel. The coffee house, the restaurant, the conference hall, fitness sauna, and now we're gonna go at the lounge, guys.
See the view. Let's go see the view, Luca. So now we're going to the lounge. This is for the nights, sunset. We have kids, so we go now. Oh, wow.
This side we would have a great view of the city. 60% of our population in Ulaanbaatar lives here.
Oh, wow. So
So
this used to be Gers, and now it's
Yeah.
all houses.
So I think it's pretty like authentic to the city as well. You know, we would have the modern side, we would have the countryside.
Someone comes and sings over here, and there's the Aurora lights because the name is Aurora. The hotel's name is Aurora. It's so cool because this side is more blue and it looks more like a restaurant, and this side looks more like a bar. It's all red, like da da da. Super cool.
It's actually
Seriously,
fascinated
look.
by the view.
And why it's blue and red?
Oh yeah, we just wanted to give a different experience. On this side, you can enjoy the city view, like from bird's eye, and on
Stay
this
there.
other side, it would have like
your
border
hand down.
spaces. The transition between the Gare district and the modern like part of UB like houses. I don't know, like in 10 years, in a decade, we're
What it's gonna be.
Yeah, so it's pretty.
It's pretty
amazing
cool to see how
and
they
witness
change.
it.
Yeah. That area over there that you see, it's all the Russian district. Over here, before all the little houses that you see on the hill, there was all girl, and now they're all houses. This building there, like Mongolian building, and over there, you have the more modern city. They'd be curious to come back here in 10 years and see how all these areas gonna be developed.
Luca's testing all the couches here because they're all very comfy. Couches and view.
He went
Fresh air.
from couch to couch. So when I'm talking about experience, guys, this is an experience. We didn't have idea what we were doing today, and now we are here enjoying this place.
You have a smoking room too. You can smoke and enjoy the view.
Yeah.
Oh, does this smell very smoke? It smells like someone's been smoking.
Yeah.
Go see the VIP.
And the VIP. Oh. So as you can see, there's a table that can fit 20 people. You have your own private view, your own TV, and your own private bathroom.
Wow.
And then there's also the Aurora picture thingy. Luca, do you like the VIP room?
Yes.
And would you like the VIP room? Yes. Do you like VIP room?
Yeah.
If you want to see better the view, soon they're going to open an actual terrace upstairs on the 13th floor. So you can actually see the whole view from outside. So we have to come back to see the terrace now, Mas, and stay here because
No,
our
we have
kids
to
are
come
upset.
back, come back and stay here at this
Yes.
hotel. They have a locker space for male and female with a shower. So the sauna. Yeah. They have separate sauna, male and female. And the fitness room.
It would be around
This-
100 and 120 people.
In this one.
Yeah, in this one. And the small one is from like 80 to 100.
I hear this morning that we want to buy this whole hotel. Objection! No objection!
This is old
But
Mongolian.
this you can someone like
And this material comes out of the frame, which is pretty cool. I think it's like leather. And this instrument is amazing.
And there is a coffee shop here too.
Which is my place, right?
It's mommy's place.
This is where I would move in. They have pastries too. Look at that. If you didn't have enough food at the restaurant, you just come here and then get more. This is beautiful.
You can just be going to wow.
Did you see the painting?
Yeah, it's a coffee cup. Oh,
Yeah, but with the country inside.
so cool.
With the country inside.
I wanted to thank the CEO and I guess owner too, with the family of this beautiful hotel here in Ulaanbaatar.
For inviting
Yes.
us. Guys,
Delicious.
if you want to come to Ulaanbaatar, try to come in this hotel because it's really beautiful.
Yes,
The details are very, very, very nice.
and it's very modern and
Combination of, you know, like Mongolian and European.
yeah. So,
With the twist.
And the food is delicious.
so
Really
thank you
delicious.
again for having us.
Thank you.
Okay, make sure you
for
come
guys
here.
for coming here.
We will put the link in below so you can actually click and reserve and everything.
Bye, guys.
We are staying in the Aurora Hotel because we liked it so much that we had to try it. We're going to see our
9:10, here
room.
we are.
Okay.
Well, you guys already saw in the video, didn't
Yeah,
you?
but now it's different because we actually get to jump on the beds and sleep in them.
Oh, jump on the beds? Well, poor Luca can't. I feel so bad.
Go.
This is the one I rung the bell.
Okay.
Oh. Wow. Oh, okay. Yeah, thank you. I love it.
Look, a new bed!
Woohoo! I'm okay. Woohoo! Mine. Sweet. No! Get over. Ah! Oh.
Sorry, Luca, you don't get to do that.
Woo!
This is our apartment for a room for tonight.
Hard. I love it.
We have a kitchen,
Yeah. That is checking what they have.
and then we have a giant fridge.
Okay.
Here we have a giant,
Living room with our stuff already.
and then we have beds. This is the bedroom. And somewhere else is the bathroom.
Oh my goodness.
There's a giant bathtub!
And this is what Luca was waiting for.
Look, there's like 3 little thingies.
So we have the bathtub
Da-na-na. And my favorite toilet.
and this toilet.
What in the? So, Mama, you want to do a video of me going to the toilet or something?
No.
Oh, dang it.
We are blown away by the toilet seat. Mas has figured it all out.
So you have the washing for the back, the washing for the ladies in the front, the dryer.
The water pressure too.
Yeah, water pressure. With this one, you increasing the warm water. You have the seat, saving for the water. How much water? Children problem. If you have children, for children is gonna adapt the toilet for the children.
Are you serious?
This is gonna turn on the light, and this is for the power.
Ah, wow. So real.
Cool.
And the view from our room. Okay, so now we're gonna try all the things we didn't try the other day, like the cafe.
One,
Just because.
What touch it on?
Okay, we're gonna have something to eat while we wait. Luke and Cosimo are doing something they shouldn't be doing in the hall of a hotel.
Oh, no one said anything yet.
Yet. Does he have his seatbelt on?
Oh, yeah, right, your seatbelt. Safety first. Okay, so we don't need safety. Let's go.
No, wait.
Safety's not needed.
Okay. So we got our snacks. Luca has the smoothie. Emma has a
Why do you
piece
push
of
it down?
cake and coffee. And we could bring everything upstairs, so it was pretty cool.
I'm so happy.
We really want to enjoy the room.
Yeah.
Go. Okay, we're having dinner again here because we loved it. Wow, our dinner is here. Look at that.
See my weekend share.
This is amazing. Oh my gosh.
We just did a little tink like this.
Last time we came here, it was in the day, and they opened it just to show it to us. Now
It's
after
7:15.
Still a little bit early for sunset, but we came to get a drink and be adults for a little bit and do the lounge thing.
We left the kids
In the room, they're happier that way. Okay, let's go check it out.
E laggiù
You can eat here and have a drink. See, there's a very rich menu. So you can enjoy your drinks, the sunset.
Functional and yummy taste to a delicious restaurant and could be subscribed to